In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create 3 3D scenes and how to make links between the scenes. I'll show you how to make an object in the scene into a hyperlink. Click the Object Properties button and set the Z location to 3. Click the Material button. Click the Diffuse Color and set the green and blue values to 0 and call the new material Red. Add Mesh Plane. Press S to scale 8 and enter. Change Blender Render to blend4web. Click the World button. Tick Render Sky. Click the Horizon color and set the red value to 0.2, the green value to 0.3 and the blue value to 0.4. I'm going to append a model of an arrow pointer into the scene. You can use my model by downloading it from my website, or you can make a model of an arrow yourself. Go to the folder where you have the model file, click it to go into it, go into the object folder, select the arrow and append. Make sure the arrow is selected, click the material button, click the new material button, click the diffuse color and set the red and blue values to 0 and call the material green. Click the Object Properties button and set the X location to -6. Duplicate, hold down Shift, press D and enter and set the X location of the duplicate to +6. Set the Z rotation of the duplicate to 180. Click the Material button, unlink the green material. Click the New Material button, click the Diffuse Color, set the red and green values to 0 and call the new material Blue. Select the camera and change the view to the camera view. In the camera's object data properties, set Sensor to Vertical. Press G for grab to move the camera, Z and Z again for Z local, and move the mouse to move the camera back. Drag to make the timeline window bigger and change the window to a node editor window. Click the Scene Properties button, tick Logic Editor, click the plus for a new logic node tree, click the blend4web logic button, click the Browse Node Tree button and select the blend4web logic node tree and zoom in with the mouse wheel. Add Control Flow Switch Select, place the node and connect the nodes up. I want a signal to be sent from the node when the user clicks on the green arrow, which was the original arrow. Add Network Page Redirect, place the node and connect them up. I'm going to paste in a web address, a URL, Control and V. The web address is blender.freemovies.co.uk, my website, in a folder blend4web, and I'm going to change the name of the web page to greensphere.html. To keep the Switch Select node active, even if something else in the scene is clicked, I'm going to add Layout Reroute and connect the miss output from the node to the input to the node. Drag to select all the nodes and duplicate and place the duplicate. Change the object in the Switch Select node to the blue arrow. It was the duplicate. I should have renamed it Blue Arrow. And change the URL to bluecone.html. I have already saved the file as redcube.blend. Now I'm going to save it as green sphere.blend. And I'm going to save as blue cone.blend. I'm going to go back and open the green sphere file. The first thing to do is delete the cube, add mesh UV sphere, set its Z location to 3 and its material to the green material. I'm going to go forward to the blue cone, Control and C to copy, Control and V to paste, and back to the red cube. Save the green sphere file and open the blue cone file. I'm going to jump ahead and make the changes to the blue cone file. I have made the changes. I go forwards to the red cube and back to the green sphere. Now each file has to be exported as blend4web HTML and uploaded to the server. I have jumped ahead and uploaded the 3 HTML files to my server. I'm going to do Control and C to copy this web address and paste it into my browser. And it will upload the blue cone scene, and I can click either arrow to load the other 3D scenes. That's the end of this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to put a home icon in a corner of the screen that links to either a web page or another 3D scene. I'll put all the files used in the tutorial and the finished files for you to download at my website. Click the link or the eye icon. If you'd like to subscribe, click the link or the stick man. Thanks for watching and goodbye.